Hello. So we have a entry. We have a new formula presented by a student. RT. This is a formula to find the equivalent resistance in a parallel circuit with three resistors. That's R1, R2, R3. And the formula states that the total resistance, or the equivalent, is equal to R large divided by R large divided by R1 plus R large divided by R2 plus R large divided by R3. And let's see if this formula will work. So let's break this down, and we have large in the bottom configuration, so we're going to extract that. So we have R total is equal to R large divided by, we're going to extract R large times 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2 plus 1 over R3. Okay, let's change okay, so we have R large. Now let's multiply this top one by 1. Okay, you can multiply any number by 1. And now we see that we have R large on top and R large on the bottom. So R large over R large is equal to 1. So we can factor those out. Let's use a red. Okay, we can take out that, and we can take out that. So what we're left is R total equals 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2 plus 1 over R3. Which is our basic formula. And let's take a look at that. Nope, not that one. That one. Okay, that's our basic formula. R total equals 1 over R1, which is what I call the RAR formula. And go back. Okay, so this scenario up here, what has happened is we multiplied this original formula by 1, which is R large over R large. And after you do that, then you can expand this relationship here. R large times 1 over R1 equals R large over R1. R large over 1 over R2 equals R large over R2. And R large times 1 over R3 equals R large. So this formula will work. It's a good formula. It'll work. And it may be used to remember the formula a little bit easier to remember. It might be a little bit easier to remember. So we have proven that it will work. We have proven that it's the same as the original formula. And very interesting the way it looks. R large, or R large, R large, or no, R large. Excellent. I want to accommodate the student who brought this to my attention.